Learn a Hadith with Muskan and Sarah.
Have lot of work. Need to cook dinner as well.
Assalamu alaikum mommy.
Walaikum assalam daddy.
Looks like you have lot of work mommy.
Yes daddy. I need to complete this presentation today. Inshallah. I will complete it post dinner.
Mashallah. Please let me know if you need any help.
Jazakallah daddy. That's so kind of you.
Barakallahu feek mommy.
Would you like to have some tea daddy?
Jazhakallah. That will be great mommy.
Okay. I will get your favorite, ginger tea in few minutes. Enjoy your tea daddy.
Mashallah. Tea is wonderful as always mommy. Jazhakallah for this refreshing tea.
Barakallahu feek daddy.
Where are Muskan and Sarah? What are they doing?
They are in their room, learning Quran. Inshallah. Let's go and check, after our tea.
Muskan. What happened? Why are you sad? Sarah, I could only study 3 ayat today. I am so sad. Oh, don't be sad.
Assalamu alaikum Muskan and Sarah.
Walaikum assalam mommy and daddy.
Muskan, why are you sad my darling?
Mommy, today I could only learn 3 ayat of the Holy Quran.
Oh dear. Don't be sad. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him said, the most beloved deed to Allah is the most regular and constant, even though it were little. So you should not feel bad, because you learned only 3 ayat today. Allah loves every deed, which is constant and regular. If you are learning Quran regularly, then inshallah, Allah loves that. You only need to be regular and constant. And inshallah, Allah will reward you. Now be happy as Allah loves you.
Jazhakallah mommy, for telling us such a beautiful hadith. Now Muskan and Sarah, let's go and play for some time.
And I will go and make your favorite chicken for dinner.
Jazakallah mommy.
Barakallahu feek.
Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.